Hello everyone, my name is Casey Lamb. Today I'm showing my lab number 3 for CS328 over at the University of Nevada, Reno. In this lab we created a level from 4 different tutorials to set up the room for display, create different forms of textures, enhance the said textures, and change bits of texture with displacement. So let's get started. So the room we're currently in that is on display is from a download called Content Examples, which you can find on the Unreal Marketplace. As we get into our textures, we can start off with our base of a shader into it, and we can normalize the look involved into it. After that, we can enhance a bit of the look of it. You can't see the difference between the both, but the light reflection off from the top is a lot different compared to what we see there. And from here, we can look into what we normalized, what we enhanced, and what we can change to look at more in depth of a pop. From here, we can look at our base simple material. We started off with a shader of a base color. As you can see, it's just a shader. We can normalize this into a little pop out of texture. With this case, it just looks really normal, but we can enhance that a bit more. In this case, we can add some reflection off of it into our normal network to vectorize everything involved. From here, we can enhance it a bit more to add moisture into it. In this case, in the middle one, we added roughness, so it adds a bit more of a reflection off of the stone. And from here, we can add more of a metallic feel, so it makes it a bit more lighter and pop out a bit more within the light. And from here, we can make it pop out a bit more by displacing it, and so it like zooms in a bit more than it should. In this case, this should be our final product, having all three networks to show off. So thank you so much for viewing my project. I'll see you guys. Peace.